Uber has raised $3.5 billion from Saudi Arabia's Sovereign Wealth Fund in what is the largest such funding round globally. More importantly, Uber plans to deploy a significant chunk of this to win share away from Ola in India. Speaking exclusively to ET Now, Uber India MD Amit Jain says that India is a very important market for Uber and will continue to invest very heavily in India. He also said that they will work closely with regulators to find a solution to the ongoing regulatory hurdles. Let's listen in.
We are super excited about the recent investment of $3.5 billion. With that investment, it takes our cash on our balance sheet to close to $11 billion. That is a significant amount of capital, and we are very excited to have raised the money. It's further a testament to the strength of our business. India is the third largest market in terms of trips after China and the US, and we are committed to investing in India and doing whatever it takes to continue to grow our business here. We'd announced an investment of $1 billion last year in India, and we'll continue to invest whatever it takes from this amount as well to grow our business in India. If technology is disruptive, if technology is new, which it is, regulations will often follow technology. So you'll have technology going forward and regulations will follow. That's not just the case in India. It's the case in other countries. It's not just the case for our area, it's the case for all other areas as well. So our focus is how do you continue to innovate and disrupt and change and work with regulators at all levels to form regulations that are progressive, that are conducive, and that progress and move forward along with technology. What we're doing now is engaging with all the state governments, because transport is a state subject, to take those guidelines and enact regulations based on those guidelines. And we are in various stages of discussions with the state governments. Any change is not easy. Any change takes time and progressive discussions. And we are in that stage with the government of Karnataka and are very optimistic that we'll continue to engage positively and proactively and come out with guidelines and regulations that are progressive and help the society. For us, the global alliance, as it's called, has no significance. There is nothing that a global alliance can do that we have not done or cannot do better. You can open an Uber app in India and take a ride. You can open the same Uber app in the US. You can open the same Uber app in Singapore and get a quality of service that is Uber standard. And that is something we continue to focus on.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow, and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.